Step 2 of our medical Qigong training will be to add the 6 healing sounds to your inner smile practice. Just begin by studying the material in the 6 healing sounds, audio, or, well, actually you should probably get the video so you can see the postures. The postures stretch those meridians and really add quite a bit of power to your inner smile practice. So study the 6 healing sounds. Once you have the postures memorized, then you can graduate up to just listening to the audio, okay? And then I'll meet you back here and I'll tell you what to do next.